Hello, so this is just a really quick video to explain and show you how to use Screencastify. So up here in the top right hand corner you'll see that I have the extension installed. So I'm just going to click on that, left click there, and here are my options. So I am going to record my desktop. I'm going to hit record and I'm going to say the whole screen. Okay, so I am now screencasting my whole screen. I'm recording everything. So down in the bottom left hand corner you will see that I have lots of different options. I can highlight my clicks, so every time I click I get a red button around it, but I've already got the red button installed, so you can't really see that. We've got focus mode, which allows me to highlight where my mouse is, so you don't look at everything else, just where I am moving my mouse to. And I can hide the cursor as well, but oh, there we go. But when I move it, you can see it again. Okay, so let's turn these all off. We can draw with the pen tool. So let's give me a beard and a hat. Perfect. Okay, my next job is that I want to show you, so let's go back to mouse, what it looks like whilst you're recording. So you can see here my desktop is being recorded. I can either delete everything that I've been doing, I can restart the recording from scratch and delete the one that I've been doing currently. I can pause the recording and I can stop the recording and save it. So we're going to do that. This page then loads up. I'll just name it quickly. So let's call it how to vid. Okay. We've also got, you can see here that the video is working. You can see everything. We can make it full screen. We can turn on the sound. If I had sound enabled, we can share it straight to YouTube, share it to Classroom, embed the code, download the video. Okay, and get the shareable link. So this is my favorite thing in all of Screencastify, is get the shareable link. All I have to do is copy that, and now I can paste that link into anywhere. Okay, and anyone who has the link can see this video.